To repair the screen, they sell these patches they're kind of neat, and no tools required. They just get put onto the screen, push those in, and I would use this if I actually had a hole in the screen. With this being I'm going to double up material, it's going to show up more than I want it to. So what I'm going to use is a needle and some black thread. And I've placed a piece of white paper behind here, which makes it a lot easier to see this dark screen. So I'm going to start down at this end, and I should actually have a curved needle. Let's see if I can get this to work. Oops. What I'm going to do is push that through, just like I would if I was sewing cloth. And this screen is like cloth, it just has a lot bigger holes in it. I'll pull that up, and then I'm going to wrap it around my finger, then put the end through that loop, pull it tight. I'm going to do that again. Then I'm going to cut off this tail using my Swiss Army scissors, which is one of the best scissors I've ever used. And so then now I'm just going to work from one side to the other. And I took this screen out of the window. It's much easier to work on than trying to do it with it in the window itself. And I'm going to work from one side of the tear or cut to the other. I want to find where the square of that material is still hooked together. I'm going to have to go up here. And I'll just work my way along that tear. I'll finish that up and I'll be back. I've gotten all the way down to the end, and I had to go a little bit further apart than I wanted to because there wasn't a good square to run the thread through. So now I run this through, run it back through, make a loop, run the needle through the loop again, and then snug that up. I don't want to pull very tight on it, or I'll pull out those squares in the screen, and then I'm going to do that again. Just make sure it's really secure. So I made a loop, run through the loop again, and snug that up. Cut that off with the Swiss Army scissors, and done. It's a little bit noticeable, but take away the paper, almost disappears. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.